I think I'm gonna harvest my first bell pepper. Get it before something else come over here and bite it and eat it up. Oh, look at you. Oh, I see a little hole there. I hope there's nothing in there. Look at you. Okay. Nice bell pepper. Let me get you off of here. Okay. First bell pepper of the season. Yes. Okay, come on. Bell pepper plant over here. Now come on in. Produce some more bell peppers for us. Okay, I see little blooms there. Come on. Nice size bell pepper. Okay. I also have tomatoes that I harvested the other day that I brought in so they can ripen inside. They were still a little green and yellow out there when I harvested them. But they're turning red now. Yes, they are. More to come.